award is for the best coupons, deals, cashbacks website.
I am Dr. A.K. Manachar, Chairman IRCTC. We are the largest e-commerce company in the country. I am extremely pleased to join this DoD Awards. It's really wonderful. This is one of the most useful platforms I have come across, where all the people who matter in the digital world and who can create what is called buzz at any platform and every platform and at any time, and what I would call is actually 24/7 to 365 is actually true. So these people are doing a wonderful job by at least recognizing those people who are trying to do their best at the prime of their youth, and I wish them all the success and God bless.
Yeah, I think the DoD Awards is a fantastic initiative, and when you think about it, it's hard to believe that there isn't anyone else who's doing something like this. So hats off to Inkswell for organizing this event. If you think about it, there is a huge scarcity of good digital talent. There aren't just enough people, and we call ourselves as a mobile first country, where we are just saying that digital is going to kick off. And in spite of all of that, there aren't too many people in the industry. So you need to kind of motivate people to kind of do stellar work in digital. And I think this awards goes a long way in kind of doing that. Also, if you think about it, fundamentally, most of the people in the digital space are only kind of comfortable in the AdWords space. That's a technology that's been there for the last 10 years, more than that, right? But what about the newer things in digital? What about being at the cutting edge? In order to kind of inspire people to do those kind of newer work and better work, I think it's extremely important to have events like these.
And this is a perfect time to launch this award, because we must encourage the community, we must encourage the people who are behind it, and we should create a very good ecosystem so that it is a win-win situation for one and all. Thank you.
Yeah, talking about DoD Drivers of Digital Award, it's a great platform which Inkswell has started. I personally believe with the vision of Digital India, which we are all gung-ho about and talking about and trying to bring the change in the country. This is an excellent platform to recognize people who are driving digitization of business and different approach to reach out to the end customer digitally. It's a great platform, so happy to see so many good great winners in these different categories, and look forward to see the success of this award every year. Thank you.
First of all, I think it's a huge privilege for me to be here and my team to be here today for the DoD Awards. I think they've been organized beautifully. I think the crowd over here is fantastic, represents the industry. Most importantly, I think DoD makes things special because these are awards specifically for digital, and the way the industry is moving, whether it's advertising, marketing, or everything around us, I think it's digital which is really making a difference. And it's very important that we have awards which recognize the movers and shakers of this element of the business. So I congratulate DoD and thank you very much for having us here. I think it's a beautiful endeavor. Thank you. All the best.
I've come all the way from Bombay to attend DoD Awards. I guess it's a really good platform for all digital marketers, and I can see a lot of good brands here at the event. The event also seems fun, with our two anchors cracking a lot of jokes, and I also can see I have met a couple of co-marketers around here, and I wish DoD Awards all the best, and keep up with the good work, and hope to see another event next year. Thanks.
Thank you, DoD.